man. Mama huevo. Gotta do it. I play mid!
Ladies and gentlemen, we have not one, but two controllers.
What the hell?
He's ready. He's ready. His hands are ready, and his toes are ready. Let's count him in. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay.
Yo, the Sam is charging! Yo, the Sam is shooting! Oh, the Piranha! He was just off!
This can't be real. No way.
I'll take it, yo, and then down the Piranha!
No!
Yo, the Savage are shooting again! Yeah! Oh my God! Is he gonna get the shot? Oh, he gets the turn! Another! Yo, he gets two! What? Is he gonna go to the 69 by Kiyoshi?
Where's he going? 61, 64.
66, 67, 68. And he stays there with the up smash. Back here and he gets
There it is! There it is! Afro popping off!
The fireworks are on. Drum roll, please.
Oh wait, is that it?
Oh,
He got it, no?
Okay.
He'll take it.
It ended. So yeah,
They are disappointed.
yeah, that's like...
Oh, what's happened? Yo, what just happened? No, you missed! He ran away! You missed! What is he doing down there?
No! He got him on the
Wait, what just happened?
Damn it!
Wait, what just happened?
Oh, he's cooking.
Okay, so this is it. So this is it. And then
He's running down! He's looking at it!
As he ran down, I missed the run. I missed him run down. Okay, he ran down again.
Yes!
And then gives the trophy. Well deserved. Well deserved.
Oh shit, I just noticed it's ours. It's ours. It's wearing blue. Like if you look at the camera, like you see him on like the top left. Yeah, it's ours. He got balls! He has balls! He has balls! His balls are big, bro! Balls are big! They're big as fuck! Okay. Oh, no. Oh? That's it. Oh my god. Yes! Yes!
How did that not kill him?
It's because of the direction it got hit last, if I remember correctly, but it's just going to do it. Fawn making that matchup look like it was unwinnable. And here comes...
What's that?
I can't even tell what it was. I think, yeah, no, it definitely is. Okay. Yeah, they all ran through. Again, there's no world where you go anywhere, and if you're from New York, you're not going to find support.
I'm Kid Masters from Street Fighter, and I want everyone here in this crowd to know, just like the Barbie baby taught us, you aren't enough.
I'm just Ken, where I see love, she sees a friend. What will it take for her to see the man behind the tent?
but creating his own reality right before us. 2-0 against Miya at Super Smash
Let's go, Acola!
Say that again.
Let's go, Acola!
What the?
What
Can we
the heck?
please not?
What kind of foghorn is that?
What the
Hello?
heck?
What the hell is that? The hell is this?
Get this damn air horn off!
Turn that shit off, bro.
What the hell is that?
It's like the Titanic is coming in.
More like going down.
What the hell is that?
It's like the Cameos. It's so crazy in here. That's right, hold